is the outlook looking like for the company? Let's try to decode all of that with Mr. Manish Tandon, CEO and MD of Zensar Tech, joining us on the show right now. A very good morning, Mr. Manish, and thank you so much for your time. And firstly, onto your earnings. If I look at your internals, your total booked orders worth are 172 million in Q1. If you could help us break down which verticals or segment contributed the most to this particular number, and how is the deal pipeline looking like?
Yeah, so we normally don't break down the order bookings by vertical, but I can tell you that we are seeing good traction in BFSI. We are seeing reasonable traction in healthcare life sciences. TMT, I think the worst is behind us, but it remains a tough vertical overall. And MCS, manufacturing and consumer services, as you know, has been impacted by the Liberation Day tariffs the most. So that that is a bit on the weaker side. Europe, we have a good pipeline, and South Africa also we are seeing some green shoots.
Right, and also Mr. Tandon, help us understand your HLS business turned positive on a sequential basis from a negative $0.2 million to now positive about $0.9 million. Is this due to currency impact, or we can expect more growth in this sector going ahead?
No, I mean, it's not, it has nothing to do with currency. Most of our, almost all our HLS business is in the US. So it has nothing to do with currency overall.
All right, but Manish, more than 65% of your revenue that does come from USA. So are you seeing some sluggishness from the US clients in terms of the new business because of the tariff uncertainties? Anything that you can help us gauge that what is the sentiment right now?
There is a lot of uncertainty in the market, and there is some sluggishness in the market overall. I would say, as I was mentioning earlier in some calls, clients are just spending money on absolute essentials. Things which are non-discretionary, like regulatory and compliance issues or keeping the lights on and so on. Clients are not taking up any transformational large programs while this uncertainty is there.
Okay, and Mr. Manish, in the UK, your revenue percentage has taken a little bit of a hit, while in the USA it has increased. Any shift in business, or is this just a one-off? Any internal movement you're seeing across these segments?
No, it's more to do with one-time things here and there. I mean, they would have got some one-timers in terms of revenue recognition, or they wouldn't have got one-timers in terms of revenue recognition this quarter. So it has nothing to do with any structural issues. In fact, our pipeline in Europe is pretty good.
All right, and along with that, what are the expectations we can have in terms of the margins for your upcoming quarters? How can we see your margins improving?
We do not give any guidance, as you know. There is too much uncertainty in the market to give guidance. But as a management team, I can tell you that we are committed to making sure that we try and do better than the industry average performance.
Okay, so that's the take coming in from the management of Zensar Tech. Mr. Manish, thanks so much for joining us. On that note, we'll let you go. Nifty seems to be holding above the 25,100 mark. Let's see if we're able to sustain above these levels for the rest of the trading session as well. But on that note, we'll